Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block screenshots on WhatsApp profile picture. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to know that WhatsApp right now automatically blocks users from taking screenshots of profile pictures on both Android and iPhone. This feature right here is active by default. And for added security, you can restrict who can view your profile picture by just going to your WhatsApp app. Now tap on your profile, find privacy, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on profile picture. And here you'll have multiple options. As you can see, by default, everyone can see your profile picture. Now you could go ahead and use my contacts only, and your only saved contacts can see your profile picture. You could choose my contacts except. This one allows you to block specific people from seeing the photo or profile picture, or just basically select nobody. If you select this option right here, no one can see your profile photo. Okay, that's basically it. And again, WhatsApp automatically blocks screenshots. If a user tries to take a screenshot of your profile picture, the attempt will fail, often resulting in a blank screen or an error message indicating that screen capture is blocked. That is how you block screenshots on WhatsApp profile picture. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.